Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm at the Tamiya Midnight Pumpkin GPS speed run time. I got a 2S LiPo here. It's a 3000. I have the speed meter, and my pumpkin has all oil shocks, full ball bearings, and let me see what's in here. A 20 turn dynamite motor, and got a different ESC in it also. So we're gonna put this stuff in, and we're at this new spot again. It's pretty long, so it's nice, and we're gonna see how fast this beauty goes. Last time I was here I had problems with my Hornet. Something happened to it, but let's see how fast this Midnight Pumpkin can go with the 20 turn. Alright guys, there she is. I got the GPS meter on. Let's see what she could do. This is a dynamite 20 turn. It looks pretty slow. That should be good enough. Looks like a beauty though. See what she got. 12.6. 12.6. That's gotta be wrong. See if it's flooring. I'll check the ESC. I don't know if it's flooring all the way. I'm gonna take the lid off and check the ESC. That feels kind of slow. 12.6, either that or the GPS ain't working. Maybe because all the chrome around it. Wishful thinking. That's kind of sounds slow for a 20 turn motor. Let me see the ESC if I shut her down. And let me unplug it real quick. Hold on, guys. Alright, now let me see. I can't even see where the light is on. I think that's full throttle. Yeah. Alright, know what I'm going to do? I'm going to hook the GPS in just like this. Without the body on, because maybe that chrome body's doing something. I'm not sure. Let's see. It feels faster than 12. Give it a good long run. Knew it. It's faster. We got 17.6 now. One more go and that'll be it for this beauty. Take it all the way down there. There may be something interfering here. There's a lot of trees. I knew it was faster than, what was it, 12 miles an hour? Alright, this is gonna be it, guys. Top speed, can't do much better than this. Oh! Yep, there she goes. 18.1 miles an hour for the Midnight Pumpkin on 2S with a 20 turn dynamite motor in there. Well, that's it. If you like the Midnight Pumpkin and you like this speed run, lots of troubles today, but it worked out. 18.1 miles an hour, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, helps the channel, all that good stuff helps me out, and I'll see you guys next time. Shen RC out. Thanks, guys. Later.